So many possibilities, so many paths to break. Yet only 16% of organizations deploy intelligent automation at scale. Are you only scratching the surface of what's truly possible? It's time to take the brakes off change and inject peak performance into your enterprise with Capgemini Intelligent Automation Platform, an AI-infused, real-world, cloud-based plug-and-play automation platform that takes your enterprise from limited deployments to intelligent automation at pace and scale, going beyond radical efficiency gains to fully embracing disruption. Consider these: a catalyst for rapid adoption that serves across your value chain. Secure, proven, and in-live operation eliminates the threat of lock-in with premium tool store, central orchestration, and command tower that optimize performance. Fast-track hub with reusable assets and pre-built solutions, all guided by our unique 5 senses of intelligent automation. Ready to inject peak performance into your process, technology, and decision-making to drive real-world benefits today? Then connect with us. Capgemini Intelligent Automation Platform. Take the brakes off change.